Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today. This is an All Fill Auger filler. It's their B350E model. Pretty typical of a lot of these. It has a non-free flowing tooling in it right now. We're using some Epsom salts to test with, which is a free flowing material, but as you can see, nothing's really coming out. You do get a little flake here and there, but anyway, we just want to make sure the machine is operational. On the control panel, you see we're operating on 223 phase voltage with a supplementary 110 volts for control voltage. Now, if you choose to change your auger revolutions right here, enter and hit auger revolution. Now you can hit whatever number. So if we wanted to go to 5,500 revolutions, the numbers you see on the keypads when I'm pressing. Fine, let's go back 1 second. And let's go enter right there. So that's 55 revolutions. So we're going to demonstrate. We're operating on a simple foot pedal here. And you can see that okay, Jim?
Yeah.
So now we're just going to use this. Now this is at 55 revolutions. Takes a few seconds to complete. You see a little bit of dribble there. That's why if you have a flowing product, you need the non-free flow tooling. Let's try it one more time. The fill is pretty consistent. Again, we're just using a tool. You see a little bit of fall there. And you see we're about similar.
Nice.
Everything's tested, working. We did replace the main drive on this unit. The other had a little vibration in it. We're starting to see its day. It has a dust-tight hopper with a simple port here, and then your main loading port for service. It has a single agitator in there. And let's just try one other function here. This is the empty hopper function here. So you still have material in there and you're ready to go. Enter. Empty hopper. Oh. Sorry, that's the wrong controls. Anyway, I'm going to show you here. Stop. Revolution stop. Emergency stop. Power indicator. So you'll need the manual and familiarity with this machine. There are so many different varieties of them, but they tend to all do the same thing. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.